Have you ever noticed that the more nuts you have, they seem to be worth less? Why is that? If squirrels have one nut, the nut is rare. If the nut is rare, the nut is valuable. But if squirrels harvest more nuts, the nuts become common, and if the nuts are common, the nuts are no longer valuable. That's called demand pull inflation. If squirrels want more nuts but the farmer harvests the same amount of nuts, the price of the nut goes up because the nut became rare again. Now, if the demand for nuts stays the same but farmers have fewer nuts to sell, the price of the nut also goes up because the nut becomes rarer. That's called cost push inflation. The squirrel buys a nut. The squirrel eats the nut. Life is good. The squirrel tells his friends about the nut shop. The friends go there and buy all the nuts. The farmer tries to plant more nut trees, but now the seeds are more expensive. The soil requires more care. The water is more scarce. So, the farmer raises the price of the nut. The nut is still a nut, but the value of the nut depends on how many nuts exist, who wants the nut, and how much it costs to grow more nuts. This isn't about nuts.